Hello and welcome to Film Companion South. You're watching Not a Toller Review. My name is Hriday Ranjan. This week's release is Bombart, which released on the streaming platform Prime Video. The film is directed by Raghavendra Verma and stars Sai Sushant, Chandni Chaudhary, Simran Chaudhary and Makran Deshpande. Bombart tells the story of Vicky, an affable young man who is the epitome of bad luck. Like he brings terrible luck to whoever he meets. He also has a girlfriend who loves him back but is a little tired of his terrible luck and his habit of shirking away from his responsibilities. There is also a mad scientist played by Makran Deshpande who has been jailed for inventing an illegal humanoid. But going by his mannerisms, he has invested the last few years of his life on crack cocaine. On paper, the concept of Bombart sounds really cool. When dealing with science fiction, there are two common ways that directors go about it. One, like Christopher Nolan, to explain out the details of the science involved in the film. Or like Black Mirror, to only explain on a need-to-know basis, focusing more on the journey of the characters and their stories. The makers of Bombart, however, forge a third kind, which is a science fiction film that is wrapped in the garb of a classic Tollywood story, which is a nice guy stuck between two women. Like, Androida Majaka or Intlo Illalu, Vantintlo Androidlu. And yet, it doesn't fully commit to its format either. I would have loved to watch a Scott Pilgrim versus the World kind of story, but what we get instead is a film that struggles to find its own tone. After a migraine-inducing opening sequence, it's almost as if the film cannot decide whether to take itself seriously or not. Take for example a scene where two Russian henchwomen are dubbed over by local actors. That was really unique, but the film has one foot stuck in the past, and even the film's songs, even though they are well conceptualized, they bring the film's pace to a screeching halt. Satya Nadella was born and brought up in Hyderabad, and I would request him to send a message to Jeff Bezos just to inquire what on earth is going on with Amazon's selection of Telugu cinema on its platform. While other languages get terrific content, we are being sold projects that have been hurriedly cut and placed on the conveyor belt. Bombart is another film that the makers seem to have washed their hands off. It's appalling that even when released on an OTT, we are being given interval blocks. For whom? Interval from what? People are watching it on their phones. The editing is also awfully off. 1 hour into the film's runtime, the makers choose to only lightly flirt with the central conflict. The songs by Josh B, even though they sound fresh and light, are played out in agonizingly full length, which is you have the Pallavi, then you have the Charanams. It is just a nightmare. The film also seems to suffer from multiple personality disorder. The film is presented by Raghavendra Rao, Garu, BA, and somehow seems to carry burdens of the past. The film's inconsistent tone is not helped by its dialogues, which is another crash course in philosophy that nobody asked for. By the time Tanakila Bharani and Priyadarshi are brought in to make matters interesting, it is like giving CPR to a statue. The other real problem with the film is 1 hour into its runtime, there is no sense of any urgency. The film also suffers from the cool parent syndrome. Like if you look at last week's Middle Class Melodies, the father character was so colorfully written that it actually added to the drama of the film. But this film just has cool parents, They are just cool with anything. You approach them with anything, they're like, yo, that's cool. Hey, Chitti, call daddy.
Calling cool dad.
Yo, bida, etlunnao, em chestunnao?
Hey daddy, yo, daddy. Daddy, enjoy daddy. Drugs cheddam fix ayya daddy.
Are drugs ah? Double పంపించాలా బిడ్డ?
కావాలి డాడీ పంపించండి.
బబుల్ గమ్స్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకో, రెడ్ బుల్ తాగుతుండు, లేకపోతే డిహైడ్రేట్ అయిపోతావు బిడ్డ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ డాడీ, కానీ నాకు లైఫ్ లో ఏం మీనింగ్ అర్థమైతలేదు డాడీ. ఏం చేయనో అర్థమైతలేదు లైఫ్.
లైఫ్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ మీనింగ్లెస్ బిడ్డ. ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ సంక్రాంతి సినిమా, ఎప్పుడు మీనింగ్లెస్.
డాడీ పిచ్చిలేస్తుంది, నేను సూసైడ్ చేసుకుందామని ఫిక్స్ అయినా.
అరే వా, ఏమన్నా చాయిసా? మమ్మీకి చెప్పి చచ్చిపో బిడ్డ, సరేనా?
అమ్మ ఎక్కడుంది డాడీ ఇప్పుడు?
మమ్మ గోవాలో బికినీ షూట్ లో ఉంది బిడ్డ.
బికినీ షూట్. సరే డాడీ, అమ్మకి చెప్పి సూసైడ్ చేసుకుంటా.
మంచిది బిడ్డ, సరేనా? అలాగే మన ఆవులు ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ ఆవుకున్న ఒక మంచి తాడు చూసుకో, ఆ తాడు చూసుకొని ఊరేసుకొని చావు, సరేనా?
ఓకే డాడీ, కూల్ డాడీ.
రెస్ట్ ఇన్ పీస్ బిడ్డ.
Chandni Chaudhary, after the touching color photo, plays Chaitra in this film, but the writers offer her nothing new. She plays the cute, annoying, jealous young girl, basically a mishmash of characters that we have seen on our screen for decades. Simran Chaudhary's character is interesting on paper, but due to the film's pacing, by the time the big reveal is made, she seems too distant from the film's proceedings.
హే చిట్టి కాల్ శాలిని. శాలిని నీతోని చాలా సీరియస్ విషయం డిస్కస్ చేయాలి. మన మధ్య చాలా దూరం పెరిగిపోయింది శాలిని.
చెప్పు హరిబాబు, నేను ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా.
ఎక్కడున్నావు శాలిని?
నేను నీ మనసులో ఉన్నాను హరిబాబు.
గోవాలో ఉన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది.
అంటే నీ మనసు గోవాలో ఉంది కదా, అందుకని నేను గోవాలో ఉన్నా.
అవునా? అక్కడ మా అమ్మ కూడా ఉంది. మా అమ్మని అడుగు, మనం పెళ్లి చేసుకుందాం. వింటున్నావా?
ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా, చెప్పు. వింటున్నా.
శాలిని వింటున్నావా?
ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా, చెప్పు.
శాలిని ఎక్కడ శాలిని?
చెప్పు, ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా, వింటున్నా.
Sai Sushant seems miscast in this movie, and even his good boy next door persona cannot salvage the proceedings. While watching the movie, you are left wondering, ee cinema ke emaindi? In spite of good music, a great background score and production values, and an idea that on paper could have been a cool experimental movie, it is in its execution that the film treats you with the intelligence of a lab rat. Honestly, the GHMC election results have more conflict and drama in them than watching this movie. Sitting through it is such a struggle, they should rename the movie Combat. Thank you so much for watching our review of the film Bombard. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to Film Companion South by pressing the bell icon.
హలో సార్, మీరు ఎవరు సార్?
మ్యాథ్ సైంటిస్ట్.
అంటే మీరు ఏమైనా పిచ్చి పిచ్చి ఏమైనా కనిపెట్టారా సార్?
లేదు.
అంటే మన న్యూక్లియర్ లాంటి అలా బాంబులు?
లేదు.
అసలు మిమ్మల్ని మ్యాడ్ సైంటిస్ట్ అని ఎందుకంటారు సార్?
నాకు సినిమా అంటే పిచ్చి.